Get paid for your voice? Yes, it's a real thing. What if I told you that your voice could become your next source of passive income? No fancy microphone, no acting experience, no podcast with thousands of listeners, just your voice. Thanks to AI, companies and creators are constantly looking for realistic voices to use in videos, audiobooks, apps, customer support, games, and much more. One of the biggest platforms making this possible is ElevenLabs. Here's how you can turn your voice into a digital asset that earns money even while you sleep. So, how does it work? ElevenLabs allows you to create a digital version of your own voice using AI. After creating an account, you'll record a few voice samples to verify that the voice belongs to you. Once your voice clone is ready, you can submit it to the voice library. If your voice is approved, other users can browse the library and choose to use your voice in their AI-generated content. Every time someone licenses or uses your voice through the platform, you receive a share of the revenue. Think of it like uploading photos to a stock photography website. Instead of selling pictures, you're licensing your voice. Who can do this? Almost anyone. You don't need to be a professional voice actor. In fact, many people are looking for voices that sound natural and relatable rather than polished like a radio announcer. Different accents, languages, speaking styles, and personalities are all valuable. Whether you have a calm narration voice, an energetic style, or a unique accent, there's a chance someone is looking for exactly that. How much can you earn? This is the question everyone wants answered. The honest answer is, it depends. Your earnings depend on factors like how often your voice is selected, how popular your voice becomes, the demand for your language or accent. The types of projects using your voice. Some creators may earn just a few dollars a month as a fun side hustle. Others with highly requested voices can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Like selling digital products or stock photos, your voice becomes an asset. Once it's uploaded and approved, it has the potential to generate ongoing income without requiring constant work. Tips to increase your chances. Here are a few ways to stand out. Record in a quiet room. Speak naturally and clearly. Use a good quality microphone if you have one. Your phone can work surprisingly well too. Create samples with different emotions and speaking styles if the platform allows. Keep your recordings clean without background noise. Why, is it worth trying? Absolutely. Setting up your voice takes very little time, and once it's live, there's very little maintenance involved. Will everyone become rich overnight? No. But if you're looking for creative ways to earn money online, this is one of the easiest opportunities to explore. Your voice is something you already have, so why not see if it can start working for you? Final thoughts. The world of AI is creating brand new income opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. Whether you're a student, freelancer, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for another stream of income, cloning your voice could become a surprisingly rewarding side hustle. Who knows, your voice might become someone's favorite AI narrator. Want more creative ways to make money online? Follow along because this is just the beginning. I'll be sharing more real opportunities, side hustles, and AI-powered income ideas that anyone can try.